Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you this plantain porridge recipe. It's really simple to make. You only need a handful of ingredients and a few spices. So to get started, I am adding some sliced plantain to a blender. The ripeness of the plantain will impact the sweetness of the porridge, so just bear this in mind when you're selecting which plantain to use. For additional sweetness, I added a few dates, but if your plantain is really sweet and ripe, you won't need to add any dates to this. And then my spices, I just used some cinnamon, nutmeg and vanilla. To add a bit more body to this, I added some quick cooking oats, and the oats will just make sure that you feel fuller for longer with this porridge. And then the last thing I added was a plant milk. I used a bit of a light coconut milk here. You can use whatever plant milk you want and then just blend it. You'll only need 600 milliliters of milk to make this, but because my blender, my smoothie maker, couldn't hold all of the milk, I had to just blend what I could and then added the rest of the milk to the saucepan. If you're using a large blender, you would just put everything in the blender at the same time and then just pour it into the saucepan. This is what the porridge looked like all combined and before it started cooking. So I covered this with a lid and cooked it for exactly 10 minutes. So what you can see here is a porridge after 10 minutes cooking at medium heat. And then I just gave it a good mix, and because the plantain is ripe, you won't need to worry about cooking this for a really long time. As the porridge thickens, just leave it uncovered and stir it for about a minute or two. Altogether, this took 12 minutes to cook. The first 10 minutes I just left it to simmer on the cooker, and then the last 2 minutes I removed the lid and stirred it occasionally just to make sure it didn't stick. This will serve 2 people, and for additional crunch I added some pumpkin seeds on top. This is completely optional, but I like having something to chew when I eat porridge, so usually I'll add either some kind of seeds or nuts on top or oat cakes, but you don't have to do that. This is just my preference. You do what you like when you're making your plantain porridge. Let me know if you've had plantain porridge before, and if you're new here, do remember to hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, do remember to hit the like button. It will help my channel to get out there. So yes, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.